Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5, Understanding Elementary Shape, exercise 5.2, question number 1. Let's see what is the question number 1. You can see question number 1. What fraction of clockwise revolution does the hour hand of clock turn through when it goes from? Okay, so fraction of clockwise revolution. Does the hour hand of clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9 hours, 4 to 7 hours, 7 to 10 hours, 12 to 9, and 1 to 10, 6 to 3. Okay, so student, I hope all of you saw hand clock or wall clock both. Okay, so you are able to see time in clock. Is clear? So we are going to find fraction when the hand clock, hour hand of clock goes to 3 to 9. And student, you know, in one revolution the clock, hour hand clock, moves 12 hours. Okay, so and here hand hour moves 3 to 9. So how many hour hand hour move? Let's see. First we make a clock. You can here find make clock like this. Here 12, this is 6, this is 9, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11. Okay, so here write 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this is our clock, wall clock or hand hour clock. You can see here, and this is center. Okay, now first part uh, of the question is that what fraction of clockwise revolution, revolution में राउंड लगाना, चक्कर लगाना इसका, ठीक है. क्लॉकवाइज रिवोल्यूशन क्या होता है? जिस डायरेक्शन में क्लॉक मूव करती है. यू कैन सी दिस क्लॉक एंड दिस क्लॉक. ओके, इस क्लॉक में जिस डायरेक्शन में क्लॉक मूव कर रही है इसे बोलते हैं क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. यू कैन सी. और अपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ क्लॉक इज कॉल्ड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. दिस इज क्लियर. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टूड क्लॉकवाइज. जिस डायरेक्शन में क्लॉक मूव कर रही है, देख रहे हो आप, क्लॉक मूव कर रही है जिस डायरेक्शन में, ठीक है, इसे बोलते हैं क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. और जिस डायरेक्शन क्लॉक क्लॉक नहीं मूव करती उसे बोलते हैं एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. ओके, तो इसी को बोलते हैं रिवोल्यूशन, क्लॉकवाइज रिवोल्यूशन, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रिवोल्यूशन. ओके, सो इन फिगर्स इस दिस साइड करोगे आप तो हो जाएगा क्लॉकवाइज रिवोल्यूशन. ठीक है, ये क्या हो जाएगा क्लॉकवाइज. इसका अपोजिट जाओगे तो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रिवोल्यूशन. क्लियर? सो लेट्स सी. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ये पार्ट दिस इज गिवन when the hour hand move from 3 to 9. Okay, hour hand move from 3 to 9. Okay, so first hour hand, where is the hour hand? At 3. hour hand आप कहाँ पे है? 3 पे. इसके बाद कहाँ मूव कर रहा है? क्लॉकवाइज रिवोल्यूशन 9 पे. Yeah. Okay, So this is a clockwise revolution. Our hand move from 3 to 9. So count how many hour move our hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you move from 3 to 9, you move 6 hours. Okay, and you know in whole revolution how many hours? 12 hours. So we need to find fraction of revolution turned. Okay, we need to find fraction of a revolution. Okay, so right here, how you find fraction? Whole by what is the fraction? Fraction is the whole by part. Whole hour is 12. Okay, whole hour is 12. So you move here only 6 hours. So fraction is 6 by 12. Okay, so you can write here fraction of revolution turn. Fraction of revolution turn is equal to fraction the whole by part. So here whole part is 6. We move 6 revolution 6 hours from 3 to 9. Okay, and total hour is whole hour is 12. This is 12. Clear? So if you simplify it, you update the fraction of revolution is 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So this is the 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 is the fraction of revolution. If anybody asks how many angle you turn, how many number of right angle, number of right angles, I hope all be familiar. Right angle is 90 degree. Okay, number of right angle you turn. So in 3 hours is equal to one right angle. Yeah, you can say one right angle is equal to 3 hours. So you turn here 6 hours. It means that you turn two right angles. Clear? One right angle is equal to 3 hours. So you turn here 6 hours. So how many right angle you turn? Tell me. Two right angle. This is clear. And in whole watch you can see 12 hours. In one complete revolution you obtain 12 hours. Okay, and here you turn 3 to 9. So in this way you cover 6 hours. So fraction of revolution turn is equal to 6 by 12. You can see here 6 by 12. So required fraction is 1 by 2. Yeah. Next part of this question is, so this is the B part of question number 1. This is given when the hour hand moves from 4 to 7. Okay, this is given when the hour hand move from 4 to 7. So you find fraction of revolution. Okay, fraction of revolution. Clear? So here from 4 to 7. So suppose we have at present time at 4. Clear? And we move to 7. This is 7. Clear? And we move clockwise direction. Okay, this is clockwise direction. If you move anti-clockwise direction, so if you count here, okay, and we count here from 1 2 3 4 and so on. Okay, but you move clockwise direction. What is clockwise revolution? A clockwise direction in which direction clock moves. Okay, this is called clockwise direction. Clear? So count how many hours you move from 4 1 2 3 hours. Okay, so you find fraction. So you know what is the fraction? Fraction is the part by whole. So your whole hour is 12 hours. You can find 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 hours. Okay, but in total hour is 12, and we move only 3 hours, 4 to 7. You can see in this figure 4 to 7 you move how many hours? 3 hours. 1 to 3 hours. So you find fraction of revolution. So fraction of revolution. This is equal to, so fraction is part by whole. So we move only 3 hours. This is 3. Total hour is 12. So this is equal to 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 4, 12. If you simplify it, you find 1 by 4. This is fraction of revolution term. Clear? Now, next part of this question number 1. C part is 7 to 10. Okay, when the hour hand move from 7 to 10, then how many fraction of revolution we turn? Okay, so we need to find. So first we make a clock and we move 7 to 10 and we count how many hours we move, then we find fraction of revolution. Okay, so let's see here the C part of this question. This is given the our hand of clock move from 7 to 10. Okay, so you find fraction of revolution. Okay, so you can see first we draw this figure. We have at 7 o'clock, 7. Okay, and you move clockwise direction, clockwise revolution to 10. So what is 10? You can see this is 10. Okay, you move clockwise revolution. Okay, so how many hours you move? 7 to 10. So count it. 1, 2, only 3. Clear? You move only 3 hours. Okay, so you find fraction of revolution. So you know total hour is 12 and you move only 3 hours because you move 7 to 10. Okay, so we have only 3 hours. So what is the fraction? Fraction is a part by whole. So let's see what is the fraction of revolution of when our hand move from 7 to 10. So fraction of revolution, fraction of revolution is equal to, we move only 3 hours, 1, 2, 3, so you can write here 3 by total hour is 12. So what is our fraction of revolution turn? So if you simplify it, you obtain 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. In this way, you obtain here 1 by. Clear? Now, D part of this question, 12 to 9. D part is given 12 to 9. And this is D part, when the our hand moves from 12 to 9. 12 to 9. Okay. Then how many fraction of revolution we turn? So we have 12. So we have here at 12. Okay, and move clockwise direction to 9. So here. Okay, we move clockwise direction. Okay, don't count here 1 2 3. Not, we move only clockwise direction. So clockwise direction is this side. Okay, and this side is anti-clockwise direction. So how many hours we move from 12 to 9? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Number of hour is 9. 9 hours is we move. Okay, so you find here fraction of revolution. So fraction of revolution is equal to fraction of revolution is equal to how many hours we cover? 9 hours, and total hour is 12 hours. Okay. So what is the, if you simplify it, you can write also it 3 3 are 9 and 3 4 are 12. Okay. So you can cancel it 3 by 3 and we obtain 3 by 4. This is a 3 by 4. This is a fraction of a revolution. We turn from 12 to 9. Clear? Let's see next part, D part of this question. Sorry, E part. Okay, E part is that when the hour hand moves from 1 to 10. What is question? Question is given the hour and move from 1 to 10, then how many fraction of revolution we turn. So first we make where are our position? Initial position is here at 1. Okay, this is our initial position. We have at 1 and turn to 10. So where is 10? This is 10 in clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. Clockwise revolution. Clear? This is clockwise revolution. So how many hours we cover to reach 1 to 10? So let's see. We count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. Okay, we cover 9 hours. Total hour is 12 hours. Okay, so what is the fraction of revolution? 9 by 12. Okay, because fraction is part by whole. So fraction of revolution. Fraction of revolution. Turn. कितना आपने टर्न किया है फ्रैक्शन ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन. ओके, so we move 9 hour from 1 to 10 and the total number hour of 12. If we simplify it, we obtain 3 3 are 9 and 3 4 are 12. Okay, so in this way fraction of revolution is 1 by 4. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood how to find fraction of revolution if the time is given. Okay, now let's see last part, F part of question number 1. Okay, this is a 6 to 3. We have at 6th place and move to 3. Then how many fraction of revolution we turn? Okay. This is a part and this is a 6 to 3. You can write here when the hour hand moves from 6 to 3, 6 to 3. Okay, so where is 6? This is our initial position. This is 6. Okay, we move clockwise and reach at 6 o'clock, and this is the clockwise direction. Okay, don't count this side. This side is the anti-clockwise. 1 2 3. This hour is anti-clockwise, but we move with revolution. We move clockwise revolution. We means the hand clocks move clockwise direction. So we count how many hours covers from 6 to 3. So count it: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So what is the fraction of revolution? So fraction of revolution is equal to we cover 9 hours here. 9 hour 9 by 12. Fraction is the part by whole. You can write it as 3 into 3. This is 9, and you also write it 3 into 4. This is 9. Okay. So you can see here Newton denominator 3 is common. So 3 3 is cancelled. So you obtain 3 by 4. Okay. This is required fraction of revolution when the hour hand of clock move from 6 to 3. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood how to find fraction of revolution. Okay, in this way we complete question number 1. Let's see question number 2. So what is the question number 2? You can see on your screen. This is question number 2, and question 2 है, where will the hand of clock stop if it start from 12 and make half revolution clockwise? Start at 2 and make half revolution clockwise. Start from 5, start at 5 and make 1 by 4 revolution clockwise. Start at 5 and makes 3 by 4 of a revolution clockwise. Okay, so student, you know how many hours in one revolution? 12 hours. Okay, so half revolution is equal to 12 into 1 by 2 means 6 hours. Okay, and 1 by 4 number of hours in 1 by 4 revolution. So you know in one complete revolution is 12 hours. So number of hours in 1 by 4 revolution is equal to 1 by 4 into 12. It means that we cover 3 hours, and number of hours in 3 by 4 revolution is equal to 3 by 4 into 12, 9 hours. Okay, so let's see how to solve question number 2. Okay, so first we find number of hours. Number of hours in one complete revolution. This is equal to 12 hours. Okay, so number of hours in 1 by 2 revolution is equal to 1 by 2 into 12, 6 hours. Okay, number of hours in 1 by 4 revolution. This is equal to 1 by 4 into 12 is equal to 3 hours. Okay, and number of hours in 3 by 4 revolution this is equal to 12 into 3 by 4, 9 hours. Clear? This is equal to 9 hours. Okay. So what is the first question? Question number 2. Where will the hand of clock start if it started 12 o'clock? Okay. And makes half revolution. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So question number 2. A. Okay. So half first we have at 12 o'clock. We have at 12 o'clock. Clear? And move half revolution. Okay. Number of hours in half revolution. How many number of hours? Number of hours in 1 by 2 revolution. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 12. This is 6 hours. So you move 6 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We reached at 6. Okay. We reached at 6. Is it clear? Our hand of clock at stop at 6. Here you can see in these figures. After half revolutions, we start from 12 and take after half revolution, we reach at 6. So you can write here hand of clock stop at 6. Okay. And stop at 6. Clear? Hand of clock stop at 6 o'clock. Clear? Next question. Next part of this question 2 is that start at 2 and makes a half revolution clockwise. So we start from at 2. Start at 2. Hit our position. Start at 2 and make half revolution. So you know half revolution is equal to 6 hours. Here you write. Okay. So move here from 2 6 to 6 hours at in clockwise revolution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We reach at 6, 8. We reach at 8 in clockwise direction. Okay. We take half revolution from 2. So where we reached at 8. We reached at hand of clock stop at 8 o'clock. Okay. You can see. Now, C part of this question is that start at 5 and make 1 by 4 revolutions. Start at 5 and make 1 by 4 revolution. So how many hours in 1 by 4 revolution? So you know in complete hours you have 12 hours. In complete revolutions you have 12 hours. So number of hours in 1 by 4 revolution. So let's see how to solve this question. So in C part, number of hours in 1 by 4 revolution is equal to 12 into 1 by 4. This is equal to 3 hours. Okay. So we have at 5. Okay. We have at 5 and move how many revolution? 1 by 4 revolution. So we find here in 1 by 4 revolution we have 3 hours. We move 3 hours. So 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. We reached at 8. Okay. So where hand of clock stop. So you can see here in figure hand of clock stop at 8 o'clock. Okay. So you can write here hand of clock stop at 8 o'clock. Clear? And the next question, next part of this question is start at 5 and makes 3 by 4 revolution. Okay, start at 5 and make 3 by 4 revolution. So we erase it. Yeah. Okay, so D part of this question, number of hours in 3 by 4 revolution. Number of hours in 3 by 4 revolution. This is equal to 12 into 3 by 4. You know, in one complete revolution have 12 hours. So we find the number of hours in 3 by 4 revolution. So you can 4 3 is 12 and 3 is 9. This is equal to 9. Okay. So 9 hours. So we have at 5. Okay, and we start to make 1 3 by 4 revolution. So where the hand of clock stop. So in 3 by 4 revolution means 9 hours. Okay. So we count from 9 hours from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We reach at 2. Okay. This is a clockwise revolution. Okay. So hand of clock stop at 2. Clear? So you can write here hand of clock stop at 2. So student, I hope all of you understood how to find where the hand of clock stop if the given revolution 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and so on, and you know the number of hours in one complete revolution is 12, then you can find where the hand of clock stop according to given condition. Okay, so today we complete question number 1 and 2 of exercise 5.2. Thank you for watching. Jai.